Summer heat can be tough on dogs, so it's important to know the signs of overheating. Watch for heavy panting, drooling, weakness, or vomiting. If you notice any of these, move your dog to a shady spot right away. Offer cool water, but avoid anything ice cold. You can also place damp towels on their paws and belly to help cool them down. Never leave your dog in a hot car, even for a few minutes. How do you keep your pup cool? Share your tips in the comments. Follow for more pet wellness advice.